Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to have a look at an absolute classic bit of soul. It's the wonderful Ain't No Sunshine from Mr. Bill Withers. Really straightforward song, so it shouldn't give you any problems, even if you really are just starting out, pretty straightforward. The only chords we need in this one are A minor, E minor, G, and D minor. Okay, so like I always say in my videos, if you already know those chords comfortably, you might want to skip it forward. The running order will come up on the screen, so if you want to skip it forward to just playing the song, the chords will be on the screen too, so you can just jam along and play the actual song straight away. If you need to brush up on the chords, let's start off with the A minor. Okay, so first off, we've got the holding down the second string in the first fret. Then we've got the fourth string in the second fret, and then just underneath that, we've got the third string in the second fret. Okay, and with the A minor, we're trying to avoid hitting the E string right up at the top, just the 5 strings below that. There's your A minor. Okay, E minor is nice and easy too. We've got the second fret, 5th string, and the second fret, 4th string holding down, and we strum all the strings for that one. There is your E minor. Okay, next up we've got the G major. We want to hold down the 5th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, and then right at the bottom there we've got the 1st string in the 3rd fret. Okay, and that's all the strings on the G minor we're here. Okay, and last of all we've got the D minor. For this one you hold down the 1st string in the 1st fret, 3rd string in the 2nd fret, and 2nd string in the 3rd fret for the D minor. Okay, and for the D minor we're trying to avoid hitting the E and the A, the 6th and the 5th strings. It's just the 4 strings below that. So there's your D minor. Okay, so if you're only just starting out, you want to make sure you're comfortable with those chords and you can change between them fairly quickly and comfortably. You might want to stop the video for a bit and just practice them. But okay, let's just crack on though with the song now. This is such a simple one. Okay, and for this one we're going to start off with the main verse section where you literally just have this little chord sequence going A minor and then E and G, back to A, to E minor and a G and A. So you want to get used to that. And then the verse, ain't no sun, excuse the singing there, ain't no sunshine when she's A minor, E minor, G, A minor, do 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 do, A minor, E minor, G, A minor. Carry on with that a little bit. Do do, A minor, E minor, G, and A minor, do 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 do, A minor, E minor, G, A minor. Okay, and that is literally it for that bit there. It just loops round like that. And then after that is where the D minor is going to kick in and the an E minor as well. But we've got the, we'll just do that again. Got the A minor to the G, A minor, do 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 do, A minor, E minor, G, A minor, do 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 do, E to do 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 do, D minor, do do do, back to the A minor, E minor, G, A minor. Start again. Ain't no sunshine when she's A minor, E minor, G, A minor, do 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 do, A minor, E minor, G, A minor, do 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 do, E minor, do 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 do, D minor, back to A minor and E minor, G, A minor. And that is literally the whole song, the whole way through. It just does that. And you might know in the middle you've got the kind of I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. That's just without music there. That's just kind of a cappella. So you just skip the song. And I know, 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 and so on. Ain't gonna leave that thing behind. And no sunshine, back to the start. And do do do, and no do 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 do. E minor, G and A, do 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 do. E minor, minor, G, A minor, do 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 do, A minor, E minor, G, A minor, do 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 do, E minor, do 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 do, D minor, anytime, back to the A minor, E minor, G, and A. I know, ain't gonna leave that thing behind. Ain't no sunshine, back to the A minor, E minor, G minor, do 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 do, A minor, E minor, G and A minor, do 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 do, E minor, do 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 do, D minor, anytime, back to A minor, and then E minor, G, A minor. Okay, and that literally just loops round the whole way the song goes. That's all it does, the whole song, exactly the same key. That will play beautifully with the Bill Withers version. Practice it, it will sound great, and I'll see you again soon for more great, easy tutorials with Ben Golding Guitar. And remember, if you do enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks and all the best.